Welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and this time we're going to get right into the question. No messing around. Just smack dab right into the question. Because a couple of times we kind of lollygag and other times and people leave comments, and we're not going to do that this time. We are hopping right into the question.
Quick learners.
What was I saying?
I don't know.
The question goes as such. When the pool pump shuts off, water sprays up through the skimmer and blows the lid off. Why is this happening, Rob?
Well, the most common cause would be air buildup in your filter. See, air can get in there either, maybe you've taken the equipment apart and air got in, or you have a suction side air leak. But anyway, air will build up in the filter and it's compressed while the pump's running. When the pump shuts off, that air expands, forcing the water back through your line and up through the skimmer, and that's where the lid pops off. Some other things we've heard of, if you have return jets and maybe you have valves returning those return jets, if that valve's closed or somewhat shut off, not as much water is flowing through the system as needed. Again, back pressure builds up. When the pump shuts off, path of least resistance goes right back towards the skimmer and blows the lid off. Have you heard of anything else?
Well, another thing we've heard from a few homeowners is that if their filter is very dirty and they need to backwash it, the water will kind of create a lot of back pressure, and when the pump turns off, it'll rush back into the pool. Now, I've never seen it happen myself. Their lies could be as dirty as their filter, but if it happens to you, that might be one of the things causing it. But I think you answered it.
Yeah,
again.
You did as well.
Yeah, better. We've been practicing. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. And for anything pool and spa, visit InyoPools.com. Thank you for joining us. Bye.